With Janan, when we employ professional teachers. Almost every subject has examiners. Currently, they are called scholars. We updated. We know what's going on. So our teachers, they know what to do. They impart knowledge and make sure that we excel and we add value. We have ever received the low achievers students, but we transform them and we add value. We add value onto them. Somebody came with the second grade and we transform them. You see them improving. We have the best and excellent programs. For example, consultation. We do consultation. These learners consult. We have that time. The most of the candidates, even candidates, even senior ones, they are free. There's a time when they are free to go and consult teachers. Because one secret we have, our teachers are available for them. Either the learners know about that. We have discussions. We expose these learners, they go and discuss. From right away from senior one, we put timetables for them to discuss, to stand in front, because we are grooming future parliamentarians, future people who are going to speak and add value to the nation. So we have those discussions. Our discussions are there and those learners express themselves.
In these sports, you get to know that our learners get the social skills of teamwork and resilience. Because in sports, you cannot play a game alone. You have to work with people. So they get that teamwork. Then the resilience of waking up and training every day until you wait to reach the competition day and you win a game. That comes with the resilience. If you're not patient, if you're not withstanding challenges, you cannot handle such issues. Then we also have time management. Our learners are getting a lot from time management, in that even when the bell goes and they know it is time for sports, they'll be there even before the coaches. Also, you realize that in this field of sports, our learners get to understand and appreciate healthy competition, because in every match you have, in every game you have to get one winner and someone who has to get a loss. So these learners have to realize and understand that I am not going to win in every aspect of life. One day I'm going to be on top, and the other time my neighbor or my classmate is going to get better than me. So these sports enable them to have healthy competition. And also, to be sincere, I wouldn't understand a school that does not have sports. The academic pressure is too much, because at the end of it all, as parents are expecting results. You cannot pump the learner in class, pump. At the end of it all, the learner will not get anything. But whenever they are from classrooms, they are tired, they go out there to the field, they get excited, they have games with each other, they relax and release academic pressure. By the time they resume for the next lesson or for the following day, they have relaxed and they can easily concentrate in class.
Then we have also welding as a skill or a vocational skill, where learners learn how to do the metal fabrication in welding. Then we have also another vocation, which is radio and TV presentation, where our learners get exposed. There are learners, we discover there are learners whose intention and passion is to become journalists, to do video editing, to do production, and so on. So we have radio in school so that we can favor such a learner. We have also electrical installation. We have a team of learners who are doing vocational, specifically wiring, who are doing different connections in electricity, as well as repairing the electrical gadgets.